Paano magiging kayo ni crush? Paano? How? Alamin ang mga techniques at formula para maging kayo ng crush mo. Totoo, oo, okay. Paano magiging kayo ni crush? Sabihin kung paano. Madaming ways. Madaming paraan. Paano magiging kayo ni crush? Ikaw ang mauna na mag-the moves at first steps towards your crush falling for you and making him or her like you back and making her or him like you back. Totoo, okay, so paano magiging kayo ng crush mo? Sino ba crush mo? Nasa school? Ba siya ngayon or nasa office? Okay, so classmate mo? Katrabaho sa opisina? Paano magiging kayo ni crush? The steps are easy. Follow it. Okay, so paano magiging kayo ni crush? So tell me. 'Cause you've got a lot to say. To him or her. Crush, crush, crush. Paano magiging kayo ni crush? Ligawan mo. Or kung babae ka naman, pansinin mo lang at kausapin mo. Mag-hello or mag-hi. Simple, basic. Pero effective, totoo. Okay. So, next. Paano magiging kayo ni crush? Magiging kayo kung gusto mo talaga. Ang tanong, yun ba ang gusto mong mangyari? Na maging kayo? Okay. Kung yun ang gusto mo, there are many reasons to live in this world. And life is just an awesome thing for all of us. Yes, true. And totoo, okay? So, paano magiging kayo ni crush? Pansinin mo siya at mag-usap kayo. Kwentuhan mo siya ng lahat ng tungkol sa'yo. Pero alamin mo din ang buhay niya. Oo, okay. So, paano magiging kayo ni crush? Find ways, find out the truth. Okay, so, chini-cheer kita. Oo, go lang sa life. Go ka lang sa kanya. Wait for the right moment. Pursue him, pursue her. Yes and true, okay, so, paano magiging kayo ni crush? Paano? Bigyan mo ng gifts, regalo. Sweet desserts, chocolate, cake. Mag-date kayo sa seaside. Oo, okay, so, paano magiging kayo ni crush? Paano, how? Just tell me. Paano magiging kayo ni crush? Simple ways, basic techniques. Yes, ako. Kung kaharap ko ngayon yung crush ko, wala naman akong gagawin pero titignan ko lang siya. Hihingin ang number niya. Or makikipag-chat sa kanya kapag nakuha ko na ang social media account niya. Okay, so ganun din ba ang gagawin mo? Okay, so paano magiging kayo ni crush? Ask her out or him for dinner or lunch. Yes, true, okay, totoo. Paano magiging kayo ni crush? Magkape kayo together, as in, coffee kayo together, yes. Okay, masarap na bonding time yun. And mas makaka-concentrate ka with your crush. Yes, true, totoo. Okay. So, paano magiging kayo ni crush? Paano po ba makipag-date? Yun lang naman yun eh. Paano magiging kayo ni crush? Alamin mo. Analyze, exhaust things. Yes. Okay, so, like, comment, and please do subscribe. Speak up, dear. Kita-kits next. Speak up, dear.